Buster. Yeah, that's right, down here. I'm getting real hungry, and it's time you did something about it.
All right, quit growling. Nobody likes a sour stomach.
Can I take your
Order? Yes! I'll have 10, no, make it 50, no, make it 20 pizzas with double, no triple, no quadruple toppings, and make it snappy.
Garcon, where is my order? And another 20 pizzas to go.
sorry, but the boss says no more pizzas till you pay your bill.
Sure, no problem.